Today's video is about acacia fiber, also called gum arabic or Arabic gum, and how it supports normal elimination of kidney toxins and it supports normal kidney function and kidney health. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Robert Galarowitz, naturopath, nutritionist, kidney survivor. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And today we're talking about acacia fiber, one of my favorite supplements for supporting kidney health, and I think everybody should at least test it, try it, see how it does. Make sure to see your doctor to monitor everything and get that good nutritional support for your kidneys. So acacia fiber, all right, it's an ancient remedy that's been around for as long as they started documenting the uses of it, and especially in the last couple decades. We have a lot of documentation on how it helps support kidney health. Essentially what it does, it helps absorb the kidney toxins, and then your body will it'll help support normal elimination of those kidney toxins out of your body. And this has been used historically from people who were in regions that didn't have access to health services. And so they use this acacia fiber. Very popular in the Middle East, Africa, and that's where it's grown. Most of the trees, it comes from the acacia tree. And what this does, it has a tremendous job of supporting normal elimination of kidney toxins. It also helps support a normal BUN, GFR, creatinine levels. It also produces short-chain fatty acids. So what this is, a substance that supports normal inflammation in your body, supports normal inflammation in your kidneys. It also does really well for supporting cholesterol levels. Acacia fiber is also a prebiotic. So that's a prebiotic is something that helps grow probiotics, which you have naturally in your body, good bacteria. And these probiotics grow, and the more they grow, the more they help support normal elimination of kidney toxins. Essentially what these probiotics do is they eat up those kidney toxins as food. So you can really see acacia fiber has a lot of benefits. Also can support heart health, also supports normal blood sugar levels, and a lot of people that need kidney support also need blood sugar support. So it does so many good things. Now, if you're going to use acacia fiber, the higher the dose, the better, but start with smaller doses, like 1 to 2 tablespoons, and you want to work yourself up to about 25 grams to 50 grams of supplemental fiber per day. And the higher you go, it's shown to support kidney health even better. So you want to try to get to those higher doses, start gradually, make sure you consume a lot of water. When you do this, make sure you're not fluid restricted, or keep your fluid restrictions within that amount that you can mix into the acacia fiber, or you mix in the acacia fiber and whatever your fluid restrictions are. And so give it a try. It's excellent. It's acacia fiber. It's also very gentle on the digestive system. It's a soluble fiber, so it's really easy on digestion as compared to a lot of other fibers which can be harsher, which cause a lot of gas and bloating. So that's what you know about acacia fiber. So you can find it online, you can find it out there at health food stores. Give it a try. Now, we just came out with our own product here at Healthy Kidney Inc. called Kidney Restore Biofiber. Let me show you to you here. Okay, it's a 2.5-pound bag with lots of servings. It's patented, it's organic, it's non-GMO, and it's been clinically tested, okay? So multiple times this has been clinically tested to show that everything acacia fiber does, this does better, okay? You produce more short-chain fatty acids, okay, you produce and grow more probiotics, which all mean more kidney support. So this Kidney Restore Biofiber, it's a supreme kidney supplement. You should consider using it in your program to support kidney health. Also comes with a free user guide here, so it even tells you the doses, how to use it properly. You get great information. Plus, with all purchases, you get 60 days of email support from kidney health coaches. So any questions related to diet, other supplements, whatever we can help you with and work with, we will. And oftentimes I see a lot of those emails and I answer a lot of those emails. So it's available on Amazon. It's also available on our website. It'll be available more places shortly, but it just came out. It's also 2.5 pounds. All right, so it's a great value. It's generally about $31.90. We do run some sales sometimes, so you can always look for that. Make sure to subscribe so that you keep getting our email with that information. So thanks to everyone for watching. Acacia fiber, really took a look at it, decide if it's something you want to do. It's a really great supplement. It doesn't interfere, have any negative interactions with anything. And consider using Kidney Restore Biofiber. And make sure to check out all of our other videos about how to support good kidney health. Thanks for watching, everybody, and do your best.